Good afternoon. Today I would like to show you free display of Legendary Duelist Season 2, and I will do free video because of course the opening will take so long, so I will divide the video in opening 1, 2 and 3. So let's go with the first one. So basically we can find out 4 different dice inside. Usually it's one Kaiba Corporation dice for each display, and of course, depending on the other one, we will have 2 of one and maybe one of the other one. We need to see. So let's check. This is the European version, so we have in front, and of course it's so easy because you can just look which dice you can get it, and you can choose whatever you want, and it's so easy to take the Kaiba Corporation. So we have one Blue Eyes Dragon, one Baby Pet, one Alternative Blue Eyes, one Lady Arpia. Check. So actually we don't find out any of Kaiba Corporation, but let's see what we find out. So this box, it's worth it to open it because you can find out one Abyss Blue Eyes, and that actually one Abyss Blue Eyes, it's worth it 2 of those packages. And we have the second card, it's the Photon Dragon that I remember right now, that worth just 1 package of this. And of course we have different secret, different ultra in those boxes that will increase badly in terms of value. So in my opinion it's very good to open or to keep sealed in order to sell it in I don't know, some year. So first let's see what we get, all the secret. Let's see which secret we got here. Okay, this is the Abyss Dragon that I said. Actually this card worth 2 of the box, so it's already a plus. I'll keep it here. And here we have the dice, just a normal dice. Let's see the other one. So booster. The other Blue Eyes. I don't remember how much is it right now, but actually this card in some here will increase because this is maximum rarity compared with the previous printing. So of course people are going to buy just this one to make the deck as rare as possible. So the little cutie. Let's see what we got here. Urgent Schedule. This card ultra rare, it was 30 euros, I don't remember right now, maybe more, and it's very strong, and this will go up a lot in price, so good. Liebe. This is the alternative dice, alternative blue eye dice. Photon Orbital. This card was also 30 euros, ultra rare. This is secret rare, so people are going to buy this in order to have a maximum rarity deck, and it will go up for a lot. This is the Harpies Ladies dice. I hope to get also the Photon Dragon in order to show all the secrets Bingo Machine Go, another card that will rise up a lot, and also for now is not played because they don't have a lot of cards that specify Blue Eye, Ultimate Dragon, Blue Eyes, White Dragon. I mean, we have just monster, we don't have yet some spell. Maybe when a very good spell will come out, maybe they will use this a lot. Another lid with alternative dice. And the last one, let's see what we got. Another Blue Eyes Cows. So basically we didn't get, so we got 2 of Blue Eyes Cows, 2 Libe, 1 Bingo Machine, 1 Photo Orbital, 1 Urgent Schedule, and 1 Abyss. We didn't get the Photon Dragon, that is the second Dwarf card for now, the Rose Maiden, the Black Queen, I don't remember the name, that it's another synchro, and the RP Ladies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. RP is Ladies, and another card that I actually don't remember which was. No, I think that they are all. I just say all. So let's open the booster. So for the booster we have 4 different color of ultra rare. I will just open here. So different color of ultra rare, and I mean, we'll have just common. This one was ultra rare, but I don't play Photon, so I can't say that if it's good or not. It's such a good reprint of Blue Eyes card that they will always go up. This one common, and we already see this one in a legendary deck or something like this, and they go up, they sell at €2 the common one, so it's very good. Also we have the most expensive ultra card, we got it. Alternative, this is gray, and of course people are going to buy all the Blue Eyes dragon card with blue ultra rare printing. The White Stone in purples, and the Oracle. Oracle, it's a good, I mean, before it was super, now the max rarity it's ultra rare. Unfortunately you just play one card of one copy or 2, so I think that I will go for the green one, that it's the one that I like it more. So we have a lot of rose card that we got in new card in Japan, so of course we will have a lot of rose card. The Lunalight, unfortunately, all common. I was thinking about some rarity bump, but actually they are common. But I guess no one are playing that, so I can understand. So let's go quickly for the card, because I mean, there will be a lot of card. This one was super. This one common. This one was just gold secret rare. It was kinda worthy. This one too. So we have a Moonlight Dragon with the grain. The cross rose dragon, already ultra rare from Dupo, I guess, and I mean useless reprinting, but I mean all rose dragon are here, so let's do it. And red rose that before was just rare, so this is a rarity bump, a very good rarity bump. This one was super and ultra. This one it's secret, you can have it. That's it. Let's go. So solid Blue Eyes in purple, another black rose moonlight in blue, and one cyber eternity dragon ultra rare. And we have just some common. So just let's put all the ultra rare here and all the common in one other side, because we don't need to see the common actually. We don't care about the common. Max in grey, Bullet Train in ultra. They were already ultra, but you know, green, purple and blue are cool. And this one, some random common card. This one, I mean, it was ultra, it was secret, now common, so bad. White Rose Dragon, it was just from special edition, I don't remember the name, it's SATS, I don't remember, this is the acronym, I don't know, remember. Cyber Eternity in purple, I mean a fusion in purple, you cannot see the name actually, and Frozen Rose. This one common, incredible, it was super common. This one common too. See what we get. The fucking Abyss Actor, I hate this deck, I always hate, I mean, they are pendulum, they are ugly, I don't know why they print. This one is very good as common, because I think that will go in €1 of common, they will reach. Simon, it was kinda a lot for a super rare, now it's ultra, no good rarity bump. This is, I mean, you have ultimate, but you know, you have also Lost Art, you will never play the blue one, you will play just the ultimate or Lost Art. Harpy Pet Dragons, we already have secret, so not a good reprinting. I mean, I just like the rarity bump. This one was ultra Lost Art, now we have common, you know. This one was secret and Lost Art ultra, and now just common. I just like those, I mean, those package of reprinting cards, because actually they are all reprinting except for Beast Dragon and the Photon Dragon, and I just like the rarity bump, because of course we kinda have all these kind of cards. I mean, I never had this card, I will rip this card off. So we have Simon, another Chaos Max. All the Luna Light common, so bad. Cyberload Fusion, this one was before super rare, I guess, and it was €15, something like this, it's good. The White Stone of Ancient in blue, on the Channeler. Mark of Rose. Maybe I can just open those for now. And see what we get. I mean, the Blue Eyes card, the printing are always good, because they will just go up in price always. Because there are a lot of fun of Seto Kaiba, of Blue Eyes Dragon. I mean, when I was little, I really like Blue Eyes Dragon more than Dark Magician, so we can understand. And all the people that come back to play, of course, they just remember the cartoon or when they were children. They are always wanting the blue eyes scarred dragon. That's why the blue eyes scarred dragon are always sell, always up in price, and they are, I mean, always printing, because the Konami know that all the blue eyes card dragon made just a lot of they sell a lot of product with that. So we got Sage of Blue Eyes Dragon in gray, Blue Eye Spirit Dragon in purple, and the Ultimate Dragon in ultra. This card, I mean, also will go up a lot in price, because it's one of the main core of the Blue Eyes card dragon, which of the Black Rose Archer, Mark of Rose, Rival Rose, Elegant Egoist, Rose Tentacles, Rose Paladin. This one was just a gold secret, something like this, and I mean, it's it's nice that it's common, consider that it's not so strong. Let's see what we got here. Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon in purple. I didn't read the name actually. I don't like purple card in purple name. Blue Ultimate Creator of Destruction and Blue Eyes Twin Bust Dragon in ultra rare. Got. Okay. Maybe, I don't remember, but in this package they didn't print Ben 10. This one was, I mean, long time ago, very rare card, because they were retro pack, secret rare or ultra rare for, I think, Dark Legends, I don't remember actually. And for Legendary Collection, Joy, this one was common, and it was like €5 the common. Now the print speed duel, the print now common, it's good. This one was just ultra and secret rare. Rage of Blue Eyes on purple, Galactic Knight on blue, and just ultra Blue Eyes White Dragon. Mark of Rose. This card was just printing, I remember, in Storm of Ragnarok common, and now it's another time printing as common. It's good that they put all, other than the card that usually are in Duelist, Legendary Duelist 2 and 3 and 4, they just put some cards that are kinda good for the deck. So Moonlight Dragon in grey, Frozen Rose in blue, Blue Rose in Dragon in ultra. Galaxy Photon, Rose Moonlight, Chandler. Black Rose Dragon in grey, Blue Rose Dragon in purple, and Black Rose Moonlight Dragon. I don't understand why they already they didn't print this like Lost Heart. I know that maybe it's like in order to sell all the lost card that you can actually get only if you spend more than 30 euros, but you know. Black Rose Moonlight Dragon in purple, RP's Pet Dragon in blue, White Stone in ultra. Let's see the last one. Nasher Grey, another alternative. So we got, I remember, 2 alternatives. Nasher, I think just one. So this is all for the first display of Legendary Duelist Season 2. I will show back what we got, the ultra rare. So we got a lot of I mean, for me, the best color, I mean, if you play the the play set of one card, maybe the best one would be play one of different color. I mean, if we consider Legendary Duelist Season 1, that they were just a free rarity, free color rarity. Here they just add the ultra rare. I don't know why, because it's like just normal ultra rare. Who cares about a normal ultra rare if you have purple ultra rare, for example? I mean, of the same card. So here maybe you can just choose your favorite color. In my opinion, the blue eyes card must play in blue. I mean, in gray it's very ugly. But gray in general it's very cool. I mean, look, gray is the color that you just bump on your eyes. So thank for watching for the first display, and I will show you the second display in the second video.